Right, just a small video trying to get out this fuse cell out of an ED Falcon. As you can see by the row of tools here, I've had that much trouble trying to get this thing to move. You take off, obviously you pull the mat back, there's a plate over the top you take off. What some people don't tell you, if it hasn't been touched before or they did it right the first time, there's a locking ring that goes around the locking plate, they call this. Well, there's a locking ring goes around that, and it's sitting down in there, which is very hard to see if it's dirty and everything. You don't even realise it's there because this was covered up. This was covered up with debris, and I was trying to get it off initially, but this still locked on. Didn't realise it was there. Wasting me time, of course. You just get more frustrated, and then I researched this, got that off, and thought I'd be right. Still couldn't get it off. They suggest this type of arrangement. I was doing that. All I was doing was breaking these fins. Because of that, it was digging in. This is digging in. So the next, I tried a flat file with a flat end to try and stop the damage getting done to this. I actually had previously bought the proper tool for it, which is somewhere here. You can buy these off of eBay and they sit over the fins. That didn't work, they just kept coming off, you know. I mean, it'll probably work now because I've got it loose. Because I've got it loose now. Yeah, see, it's moving it now. And that's working now, but it was so friggin' tight, it wouldn't work before. Now, one of the advice I got from someone online was hot water, to pour boiling hot water over this plastic lock ring, which obviously should make expand it a little bit, try and break the seal that's there. I did that twice. It didn't seem to make a lot of difference, but I was banging away. I thought I noticed it moving a little bit. I thought, oh, is that actually moving? So rather than keep going with the damage and things like that, one of the things they suggest is to get underneath and to jack it up. Now I'll show you that. They say in the menu to use your proper jack stands, which I have jack stands. I put it up under the axle in the correct places. So you've got to do all this correct for safety. One over there. And I've kept the jack just up there as another precaution. So, right, so you've got to jack the car up. For this, they say to help take the tension off the lock ring on the fuel cell, to jack the car up and drop the tank down 25mm. So you need some jack stands, which I'll put it here as you already see. We'll just get under. Alright. Okay. So these are the straps on the tank either side. Oh, just make sure we're still running. And you got a bolt there in the strap, and you got a bolt over there on the strap as well. And they take a 1/2 inch. And I'm using an extension on a ratchet. So I don't know if I can see that through the room. So I've undone that about what I consider a little way. I've got to do it back up yet. So I've dropped it down there at the front, where the sender is at the front here. So yes, after loosening that tank down 25mm, I don't know if that made all the difference or it's all the preliminary things I've done. I'm actually able to get this off if I don't speak too soon. It's still freaking stiff. Oh my god, here we go. Oops. Finally that settles out. Before I move it out, I'm going to just blow all that debris out so none of it gets in the tank. There we go. It's still got some petrol in it, believe it or not. It's been a long time. So there's the little bugger, and I'm going to replace this one in here. So yeah, lots of problems to get that out. You would not believe how much BS there was involved. Like I said, what could have done the trick at the end was the lowering of the tank a little bit, but I just don't see how that put pressure on that, because this is just one big plastic piece. Maybe I just hit it enough that it started moving, but anyway, I did the whole routine. So I would suggest a rubber mallet, this type of thing for blunt end, so you don't bugger this up too much, bugger that up too much. Some people say they've found ones that are easy, and others say they're complete you-know-whats, and I reckon this is one of them, a complete you-know-what. So you just got to persevere. Hopefully you get an easy one. Okay, thanks for watching.